opportunity, and in the next I will go show you the code of the models. Now I'm going to show the data preparation of the dataset and implementation of the data models on the dataset. Initially importing the libraries for the data preparation, loading the dataset and exploration of the dataset. Initially the data the binary and categorical and multiple choices are looks like this, and here are the top first 10 diseases that we are total we are having 49 diseases. Among all those, first 10 diseases are looks like this, and initially the dataset looks like age and differential diagnosis, sex, pathology, evidences and initial evidences. For example, if you want to see an example, like age is 18 and sex is male or female, and pathology is he is having any initial diseases, and what are the evidences count, and what are the first three evidences that we came across in his initial records are mentioned here. And after that, a transformation running. After doing the transformation, the data set looks like this. For example, the patient record is created, and age and male and significant text, and what is the symptom count, and what are the primary diseases he is having, and this is the disease code, and what are the differential diseases he is having, and what are the probabilities of each disease he is having, and what are the total number of evidences count. And here comes the duplication, removal of the duplication rows and duplication columns. Here is the final data set looks like, and here I have done some statistics on the data set, like what is the cumulative percentage, and what is the male count, what is the female count, percentage of the male count, and the average symptoms and average count, the each column specified there. This is the percentage and cumulative percentage over there, and that's all for the data preparation. And for the validation, for checking any outliers are there in the data set and finding the probabilities for uh, each disease. And disease wise statistics also mentioned, like for each disease what is the count and what is the percentage of disease is mentioned here. And coming to next line, the baseline model, uh, like uh, yeah, this is looks like the baseline model. Just yeah, importing the data set, and the sampling that we have done, simple stratified sampling strategy on the data set. Initially the data set was containing 1 million rows, and after doing the stratified sampling we just converted this into a 3 lakhs rows data set that we have mentioned here clearly. And this is related to the strategy, like related to the sampling technique. And this is and yeah, details of the stratified sampling, statistics comparison, original wet sampling, original wet sampled, all here is mentioned very clearly, like the original dataset how it looks like, and how the samplified data looks like is mentioned by through graphs. Original how the original distribution is shown by the distribution of a graph is shown here. And for the training, how many rows are used, and how many data values are used, and for testing and validation how many data is used through a bar chart is mentioned here. And the baseline implementation, here we have implemented three baseline models that have shown there, like basically we have implemented SVM and dBERTA, BioBERT models for the results. This is with the SVM, with this is a traditional model, we have obtained accuracy of 97.42. And second baseline model is BERT. For this we have obtained approximately of for each step we have obtained 97.42 54, and the third baseline is BioBut. For this we have obtained 97.64, and the fourth one is dBurta without UMLS. For this we have obtained it's close to 97, 97.20, and um, all I have just compared all the models accuracies, just like it was close to the models that I have done in the literature review. And the second one is integrating with the, what is the integration with the dBurta is shown here clearly. What is the multitask, how it is done, and it is very shown pin to pin, and how the multitasks is performed is shown here. Initial